Thank you for buying this 119569 raffle drum from Fixture Displays. These are all the components. In this video, we're going to show you step-by-step instructions how to assemble this unit. These are two of the end pieces for the drum, 6 connector pieces, hardware, 5 identical panels, and 1 door panel. The hinges for the door are not assembled for the simple reasons of avoiding breakage. And then you have the metal parts and the handle. To begin assembly, we want to pick up one base and one connector piece and join the two pieces with one screw. You do not have to over tighten. Keep that ability to rotate is important. Remember, you are fastening acrylic. If you use a lot of force, it is going to break. However, if you just manage to be snug enough and don't over tighten, it would form to a fairly solid piece. Now, once we have one unit of the connector assembled, it will stand on the edge of the side pieces. Then we can work on the rest of the 5 pieces. Now the skeleton is in place. We're going to start to fasten the side panels. There are 5 of the identical pieces, and watch out. Identify the bevel direction. The bevel, the longer side is on the top. In other words, the sharp angle is facing on the top, so that when two panels meet, this panel meet the other panel, the corners are even. So we're going to do so for all the side panels. And 3 screws on each line. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. You want to try to use a handheld screwdriver. Try not to use a power drill, because a powerful drill could break the plastic glass accidentally. Now, optionally, you could choose to glue the acrylic joints down for a more permanent attachment. Now we're going to fasten the hinges to the door panel. So the nuts goes under, and the metal hinge is on top of the door frame. If you wish to purchase acrylic glue, the part number is 11310. You can find that on fixturedisplays.com. And make sure you watch plenty of videos how to use acrylic glue, so that you have a safe and pleasant experience. Now the door panel is on. The last thing we want to do is to check the screw positions. Remember, we said keep that somewhat loose. This is the time to hold it snug. Still not over tighten. Now we're going to install the cam lock. We're going to put on the big nut. Then we're going to undo the screw and put the rotating cam, or tongue, in the position. Now it's in a locking position. At times you may be not perfect on the tongue position. Just undo the screw and find an angle that will work. These are the metal bases and the cross beam. We're going to fasten 2 cross beams to the side first. If you have any questions, email us cs@charliesam@fixturedisplays.com. You can also text message us 630-296-4190. Now we're going to hang the drum by inserting the side dowel into the hole position on the metal side panel. At this time, we're going to put the other side frame of the metal tubes in contact with the other side of the drum, and then fasten the connectors at the bottom. Now we're going to work on the handle assembly. I'm going to feed the screw through the handle into a knob, and on the other end we're going to fasten that onto the drum axle and then lock the handle to the axle with 2 screws. Now we can rotate this and put the party in action. Dimensions of this unit is 30.6 inches wide, and the frontal back is 16 inches. Overall height is 22.4 inches. The drop slot is 9.4 inches by 0.19 inches. This unit weighs about 20 pounds, and this is really a large 30-inch wide drum that you can put many tickets and many pinball balls inside. This is about as large as the raffle drums go for a stock item. However, if you do need a bigger one, feel free to let us know. We'd be happy to make those for you. It takes us about 3 months unless you wish to expedite the shipping. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. In this line, we also have floor stand 119571 and metal options 119570, along with smaller units such as 13030. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback and product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.